Hi, my name's Richard and I'm from Envirosafe Testing Limited, and my role is the Operations and Quality Director. I've got to make sure that all our projects are delivered safely and efficiently and to the highest technical and compliance standards, which means overseeing the ground staff and supporting them whenever they need for constant delivery for the right outcomes. On site, we manage the operational delivery of the asbestos risk management, compliance, quality assurance and the contractor coordination for the ever-adapting conditions that change on site. At Envirosafe, we combine strong technical expertise with the real-world delivery and experience. So we don't just identify problems, we help solve them. We understand the client's needs and solutions to ensure projects are compliant and delivered on time. I think clients value reliability, transparency and confidence in delivery. They want to know that the job will be done safely, compliantly and without unnecessary delays. Clear communication plays a big part in this and keeping them informed in every step of the way.
Hi, my name's Steve Minto. I work on behalf of Envirosafe Testing Limited. My role is an asbestos consultant. I carry out air sampling on behalf of Prevectus Remediation, Prevectus Soils and external various contractors. Air sampling is carried out in accordance with Environmental Agency permits, UCAS accredited 17025 and Prevectus Remediation and Soils in-house compliance procedures to ascertain ambient fibre concentrations. I've been in this role for 32 years, started in 1994, undertaking various roles throughout the asbestos industry and asbestos management. Type of air sampling I carry out are near source, far source, background, personal air monitoring, in accordance with Prevectus in-house compliance procedures.
My name's Dan, I'm an asbestos analyst at Envirosafe. At Envirosafe we carry out air monitoring following the removal of asbestos. This could be a remediation site, a demolition site. We're able to provide real-time results with the use of our fully equipped mobile lab. An example of one of our sites that we're attending at the minute is a asbestos contaminated soil site. We're there to provide near source monitoring, which is monitoring near the source of contamination, and far source boundary monitoring to ensure that health and safety of the site staff and members of the public. And again, we're there to issue real-time results during the activity. What makes Envirosafe different is our experience and the way we work closely with our clients, providing real-time results and updates throughout the process. Being part of Prevectus, we also share a strong focus on health and safety, delivering work to a high standard. We focus on doing the job properly to ensure projects run as smoothly as possible.